This problem is from the Redesigned SAT, Test 2, Section 3, Question 10. We have variables in the question, and we have variables in the answer. We can put in our own numbers. The question says, which of the following equations has a graph in the xy plane for which y is always greater than or equal to -1? And a really easy solution here is to put in 0 for x. We're trying to show that each of these answers are not greater than or equal to 1. So pick a number that will try to show that. So in A, that turns into y equals the absolute value of 0, which is just 0, minus 2. So A is equal to -2, which is not greater than or equal to 1. Same thing in B. Put in 0 for x, we get out -2. Not greater than or equal to -1. Put in 0 here in C, now we have -2 squared. -2 squared is going to equal 4. That is greater than or equal to. So I'm going to stick a pen in C because I haven't proved it wrong yet. And then the last one would be 0, putting in 0 again for x gives me 0 minus 2 equals -2. So easy choice, it's got to be C. My first choice of a number would prove that it would be greater than. If it didn't, and they all came up wrong, I would be looking for another number, but in this case, since it must be greater than or equal to, C will have to be greater. And why is it greater? Because you're squaring it. So it doesn't matter if it ends up being negative or positive. Within these parentheses, it has to end up being positive. That's the quick way to do it. If you realize that, you don't have to put in your own numbers. But if you're not a person that would see that eventually, then just picking an easy number, putting in for x, and see what happens is a very simple way to get to your answer.